Happy March, everyone. Today, I want to take you on a step-by-step guide to making some really cool marks with my favorite fine liner. I've given my canvas 2 coats of black base paint and used my DIY stencil to create these guidelines. I'll leave you some links for those down in the description so you can get to this point if you need a little help. But I want to share this little bitty paint tip with you that I've discovered. I am so tired of taking my paint bottle and hitting it on my left hand. Well, I'm not having to do that anymore. I ordered these tiny little stainless steel balls. I'm dropping one in every one of my paint bottles and it's doing the work for me. Anyway, I just thought I'd share that with you. And now I want to get started with this fine line brush. Y'all, it is 0.5 mm around and the bristles are 9 mm long. Now, all I'm doing, I'm not going to put any additives in my paints at all today. I am just going to get a good bit of paint on my paintbrush and I am going to put the tip of my paintbrush right where I want my extra long brush strokes to begin. And then I'll slowly press down, and as I'm pulling, I'm gonna lift up my paintbrush so that less and less pressure is applied towards the end. So basically what happens when you smush that paintbrush down, it gives you a really wide beginning. And as you lift it up, it gets narrower and narrower, that's hard to say, until you have that really nice little point at the end. All it takes is a little bit of practice, and this is the project to do it with. I'm gonna be quiet now, and we're gonna see how long we can get these brush strokes. I'm not gonna use any other fine liner, just this one. Let's see how it turns out. Oh, you guys, I'm loving the way this looks. I have a little bit of an idea though. Every time I see someone using, maybe not every time, but most of the time when I see people making those swooshes with their paintbrushes, it's like they always run the tails together and it's gorgeous. But I was curious, what if I'm super careful in this project and I try really, really hard not to let these brush strokes touch each other? I'm curious what it'll look like. And y'all, I don't know if you used to watch my videos back a long time ago, but I had this policy that if I wondered what something was like, I had to find out. So I'm gonna try to be really careful with these brush strokes from here on out and see if I can do them without touching. And let's see what it looks like in the end. Oh man, you guys, that looks so cool. I think I'm onto something, not letting my brush marks touch each other. That looks really cool. All right, let's keep going. Oh man, you guys, this is so pretty to me. I love this, and what a great way to kick off March. Y'all, I hope you give this a try. I've left you all the supplies you need down in the description. I hope you go and get everything you need. Those are affiliate links down there, so click and click and click. Also, check out channel memberships. I want you to watch all my videos, share them, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, do all of that cool stuff that helps me out. I could use the help. And then I want you to come right back here and watch all of these St. Patrick's Day videos. I've gotten all of my greens together right here in this playlist. I want you to watch them all 3,004 times each. Anyway, until next time, rock on.